So, my name is Terry, your boy Terry once again. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Cody Strong. His channel on YouTube is AngryPicnic, and this is my means of inspiring him while inspiring the rest of the world. That's the least I can do. I'm a very weak person, entirely weak in the rubble, and you will not know, but I have very terrible health condition. And I have to make this video so impromptu because there's no waiting for the perfect conditions. That never happens. I experience so much pains 24/7 that it's impossible to pull off a smile. But a smile is happening now because of Cody Strong. There are times when I'm watching his videos and like they say, my jaw, I lose cognizance of the fact that my jaw was in laugh mode, and it got tired after, binge watching most of his videos. Well, I'm here to thank him. Yeah, I've got to continue in the same manner. Um, and I wanted to touch on this especially. Most people will wonder why you have so many followers, and it's not because of your talent. Talent is generic. There are billions of uploaders on YouTube or YouTube content creators, and perhaps there are many hidden gems around the world using YouTube as a platform as well. So it's definitely not your talent, and it's definitely not your cute face. The world is shifting by now, and cute is becoming generic as well. So um, definitely not your cute face. You're extremely talented, extremely gifted. There are some things you do that, I try to rehearse in my imagination possibility of me pulling it off, but you're a standout in reality. I'm too stiff to, carry out some of, pose as some of the characters you play or enact. So yes, you're extremely talented. When you have to use YouTube comments to make a parody, um, to memorize those things, I could do when I was young, but because I've not slept for years, I have very short memory, and I don't have the vibe in me, the unstiffness to pull these things off. I'll never try act on a good day. I'll never go somewhere and interview someone. I don't see sunlight. I'm always indoors. Anyway, so uh, you have special qualities, and now I'm going to touch on the not so generic qualities, which is your standout in reality, your edge on YouTube over every other person. There are no two Codys, and that has to do with you're very human. You're human, yes. It's easy to go into outer space, especially when you get popular, like on YouTube, and are receiving or is receiving accolades from every corner, to lose out on your human and become a demigod. To go into outer space and create protocols, you know, isolating yourself from the rest of humanity. You begin to, you know, you begin to vibe out a cold figure, and then your heart is no longer present or visible in your face or facial expressions. Well, that's your edge, Cody, and I want you to maintain it. Amongst even your group members, I notice that your group are like minds. They have a kind of vibe that's similar to you. So you see, the network is growing there, but that's your edge. You're human, and I hope that you maintain it. I see your reaction towards your fans. When you come across them uh, impromptu as well as you're shooting your videos, and the smile on your face is original. Um, well, that's the personality that comes out, and it's unhideable. It's always shining through anytime you do your videos. I'm not articulate now, so I can't, and I'm trying to play out some of your videos. Um, um, Yes, so you have the ability of entering the ranks of the great. You just need to keep on doing what you're doing, but also with a mission of growing and evolving your very substance. So there your substance becomes solid over time and dented into your very core. You know, I see you evolving. You know, you're doing your videos and you're shifting onto Cody Strong songs, and I'm seeing that shift ongoing. But as you go, as you climb the stages, just make sure to maintain your humor. No, like I said earlier, the world is shifting. There's no need going into outer space. You know, keep digging up yourself, and staying deeply rooted down to earth. Humans, I mean, the world is lacking in these figures, down to earth figures. And again, that's something that comes out in your videos. Your down to earthness is evident, and that's why it's evident as well that your videos are not so edited, so rehearsed. We see YouTubers who will, say, do pranks where, let's see, like gold digger pranks. And if you're in the real world, it's very evident that those things are rehearsed. What's the coincidence that a bikini girl is always walking the street when you have your Ferrari on the side? So that's another thing to maintain. We Talent, like I said, is generic. Right now, I celebrate the untalented. I'm a legit illiterate, and all that I'm saying in this video is in the perspective and mindset of an untalented, a legit illiterate. And don't doubt me. If we eliminate bomb, smart, or average, then everyone is suddenly genius. That you're told no every time and you keep on that same route. I consider that extreme talent. That you're able to apply your talent to use even in the jungle as part of historical history, or as part of a brother's dream. That's what I consider talent. So, anyway, proof of human is what the world is shifting into, and it's some of my cause. And that's why I'm here to inspire you. I'll just keep this video short. I'm hoping you'll grant me an interview. Let me put something on my channel. I'm trying to build a channel that connects humans worldwide. I'm trying to create true celebrities worldwide. And I have an entire enterprise pushing this forward. It's called ulogs.org. So, I'm creating a culture where people mind the human and evolve it by always creating the kind of content called ulogs. So instead of just blogs and vlogs, you have ulogs, where letter U stands for you. This kind of content is created each day based on events and moments within the day. You're supposed to be inventive. That's why there's a paradigm that, with a ulog, where you don't have to research from the internet. Your aim is to gift something, fresh pieces of you per day, to the internet, instead of resourcing from it, so that we can reshape the internet instead of recycle it. So, when you have to reference the internet, you can just do a blog or perhaps a vlog. So ulog is a daily affair, and I'm creating the model, and the interface is in alpha stage already. So I'd like you to be part of this story of a boy that is in the rubble but is aiming to surpass Google. That's my username across the internet, surpassing Google. You can search me on Google. I'm not a celebrity or anything, but I've written many articles and people have written about me as well. Just to, perhaps you'll give me the chance to and grant me an interview. The interview is going to be very simple, fun questions. It's going to be ULOG related questions. So off-key questions, down-to-earth questions, questions that you may never have been posed before. you know. Then I'd like to put that on uloggers TV, like our interview session, just to inspire others and tell people that this journey of surpassing Google in general is possible regardless of circumstance, as long as your self-worth and your self-shine, you don't let that to be beat into relegation. I'm going to stop here. The videos are usually very big, and I'll have to compress it if I make it too long. I'm going to write an article to give you accolades. I want you to hold sway. I want you to shine and continue shining. I'm sorry that I didn't touch on all the amazing facets of you, but I'll do that in the blog post that I write, and I'll look for your email. I'm hoping that you grant me the privilege, and perhaps let's be brothers. I want to spore a world where humanity is the brother next to you. I'm located in the Philippines. If you want to have anything done in the Philippines, I'll help you. I'm trustworthy. Surpassing Google has a reputation paradigm to it. So I have a story and I'm loving, extremely loving. So I'll help you, host you, and be my brother as well. So look out for my email and I'll send you a list of questions. And if you have time, it's a very short, fun interview so that the rest of the world, like here in the Philippines, can become your friends. I have a large community of Filipino users as well, and in other nations, you know. So I'll just stop there. Thank you for remaining, Cody. And another catchy thing, very special thing about your brand. It's no coincidence, it's just a special arrangement of affairs for your sake is Cody, the name Cody. Perhaps your parents gave you that name. I'm sure it's no coincidence, but it's working. That name Cody is special in how it sounds when it makes you successful. I'm telling you, Cody Strong songs. Anyway, if you're watching this video, please check out Cody that I'm talking about. His AngryPicnic. I'll put all the necessary links. If you want to email me as well, the link to the article that I'll write about him, the link to his channel, so that you can join and become his follower. And I advocate that because I've watched hours of his video, and he's for real. So yes. So what else? Anyway, and for me, I'm your boy Terry. Subscribe and turn on notification. I'm trying to grow this channel, but it will contain humans from all around the world. It's called Uloggers TV. So it will contain Uloggers and true celebrities from the entire world. So imagine one YouTube channel with thousands of people showcasing the beauty of humanity and the existence of human in a world where crypto kitties and Superman is beginning to create more appeal. We want to restore value to human. Anyway, your boy Terry once again. Please check underneath this video for necessary links and contact me if you have questions. I'll give you the perspective of a legit illiterate, and I have knowledge, without books. No books involved. Anyway, your boy Terry again. I'm surpassing Google on the internet. Have an amazing day. Thank you.